Hi friends, in the previous video we talked about how to install Git bash in your local machine. Now into this video I will show you how to clone the GitHub repository into your local machine using Git bash. So right now here you can see I am signing in my GitHub account, and this is my repository which I want to clone into my local repository. So here you can see this is the index.html and style.css inside this my repositories. So to clone this repository, let's click on the code option and then select the HTTPS and copy the URL. Now go back to your local machine. Let's say this is the directory. This is my local directory. I want to clone the repository here inside the source code. Okay. So let's right click and open the git bash here. Okay, so it is opening the git bash terminal here. If you don't know how to install a git bash in your local machine, please check my previous video. I will share the link in the description. So let's type git clone. So this is a command used to clone the repository, and then next to this command you need to paste that copied URL which is from GitHub, and let's click on enter. So now here you can see it is created a new folder with the repo name right inside the source code, and you can see everything is cloned from the repository. And if you don't want to create a folder with the repo name, you can provide a new folder name next to the URL, so that everything that new folder will created inside the source code, and everything will be cloned inside that new folder. Okay, so I think that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.